What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how I painted these super cute Sanrio nails, so keep watching. Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing these super cute Y2K girly Sanrio inspired nails. First things first, for the tips I'm using the XXL No C Curve square tips from my website, and the acrylic I'm using is Classic Nude from Valentino. I'm using my size 14 NAILZBYDEV shop brush to apply the acrylic. I like to do the 3-bead method. The second bead I'm laying right now is just to kind of build up more of an apex. And then I go in with my third bead as close to the cuticle as I can get it without it flooding into the cuticle area. I'm about to show you guys a game-changing way that I can do ombre with gel using one of my new gel polishes from the Heavenly French gel collection. After my acrylic is laid, I'm just gonna lightly file and crisp up whatever I need to using my 180 grit file, and this is what we've got. These are the designs I chose, and now we're gonna be taking the shade Not That Innocent, which is part of the Heavenly French collection, and I'm using my As If Ombre brush to simply just stroke this color down onto the acrylic, and it brings a super pretty blend. I'm so obsessed with how this look came out. It's effortless and so beautiful. Next, I'm taking my whiteout gel polish and my 9mm liner brush. This is one of my favorite brushes that we sell. I'm just gonna start by getting Hello Kitty's head shape. Now, something about Hello Kitty looks so simple, but honestly, she's pretty intense because if one little placement is off, it can look so wrong. So here you'll see I laid down her feet and her little body. I'm going to be drawing out her little outfit with the Spice Girl liner gel. I did mix a little bit of white into this gel just to lighten the shade a tiny bit lighter. Now we are going to be drawing out her bow. If you guys ever wondered what are my top 3 favorite brushes to draw with, it would definitely be the 9mm liner brush, the Hella Cute liner brush, and the micro detailer brush. Now those are my 3 go-to brushes of all of the brushes. Out of all the brushes that we sell, those are my 3 favorites. I drew a little cloud underneath her, and now using an unreleased yellow liner gel, I am just gonna draw out this little, what would you call this? A harp? Bow and arrow? I think it's a bow and arrow thingy. I don't know. Did I say a harp? I didn't mean that. You know what I mean. Now I'm taking the shade Black Cherry, which is a very dark brown, and I'm just getting her whole outline using that color as opposed to using black. It gives it such a cute, aesthetically soft feel when you outline characters with brown. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you guys know what I mean when I say that. The only difference is I'm using a gel polish to outline as opposed to a liner gel. And you can see it still works. That's how pigmented our gel polishes are, but it's never gonna be as thick as liner gel would be and nice and crisp. Now I'm just gonna be adding some details onto her and moving on to the eye. Now pay attention to the eye placement on Hello Kitty, because if it's too far apart, she's gonna look crazy. And if it's too close together, she's gonna look wrong. So just place them. The way that I do it is I kind of line them up on the inside of the top of the ear, if that makes sense. And now I'm gonna add her little whiskers and her cute little nose. The nose too needs to be smack dab in the center, and you gotta pay attention to size when you're painting. You need to constantly be measuring in your head. Now I just added a little detail on the bow and arrow, finished her off, and now let's paint, I don't even want to say the name, y'all, don't come for me. Kuromi? Kuromi? I don't know which one it is, but you know, whatever it is, this little thing is cute. I don't know if it's a boy, I don't know if it's a girl, I don't know what it is, but it's cute, okay? So we're just gonna pretend the name is Kuromi because that's how it looks like it's spelled. So I'm getting an outline of the head. Right now I'm using the brush Hella Cute liner brush, And the shade of gel I'm using is called Grave Digger. Now I'm going in with the white liner gel and just filling in all of the face. Gonna start adding the body down here. Remember, he's like flying in the sky, so it kind of looks weird, but it'll make sense later. Now I'm just drawing out his little arm area and the little, okay, is this a bow and arrow or is it a harp? I think it's another bow and arrow. Yes, it is, because he's shooting a little arrow thingy. Okay, yes, not a harp. A harp is what you play music on. I don't know where I'm getting that. I'm thinking of like Hercules or something. Now I'm just adding these little gray parts of his outfit down here, and let's get into these eyes. Now I'm using my favorite black liner gel, which is our black liner gel, Baddest Black, to get the eyes and all the facial features outlines. And yeah, you just want to be very, 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 very light pressure when you're doing tiny little detailed designs like this. But you can see how well this long liner brush gets all these designs and all these little lines and everything so perfect and crisp. You would think with a long liner that it would just flop all over the place, but actually this brush has so much control. You can get thick lines with it, extremely thin lines with it, and I just love it so much. Going back over that white with the yellow liner because I decided to make it yellow like the other one. Doing some detail on his little skull thingy up here, adding his pink little dots, and moving on to my Melody. This is probably the most simple character I've ever painted in my life. And I know you guys are probably thinking, oh yeah, real simple, but it really is. Like, if you follow this along, you can totally paint this thing. I don't know what it is. It's a rabbit, I think. I don't know what it is, but it's so cute. I can't stand it. So yeah, for the pink, I just used that Spice Girl liner gel again, mixed with white. Going in with my white gel polish, drawing out the little body down here. I did forget to record the part where I filled in the heart because he is holding a heart. And now I'm just doing the hand over the heart that I forgot to record. And I just outlined it all with black cherry, that same color that we used before. Going in and just drawing out the eyes, the tiny little nose, and I think, yeah, did we do a little mouth? Yeah, we did. We drew out a little mouth right underneath, and I added a flower in the hat. Now I'm taking my new pearl charms with my Bling Gel, and I just decided to make them super kawaii looking and cute. This was such a cute little pop. Instead of bling, I wanted to do pearls, so I thought this was so adorable with this set. If you guys wouldn't mind, please like this video and leave me a comment letting me know what kind of nail art you want to see me paint next, because I'm always open to suggestions for my next nail design. I might even reply back to the comment that you leave in the comments below with a nail design that you choose. But here's the set. I'm so obsessed with how it came out. I hope you guys will try this. If you do, please tag me on Instagram or TikTok or wherever. And yeah, I'm having so much fun making these videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye, guys.